This is Duxelles. Duxelles is a staple of French cuisine consisting of minced mushrooms, onions and herbs, sautéed in butter and reduced to a paste. For this Duxelles, I'm using about 1.5 pounds of portobello, white and baby bella mushrooms, but you can use any kind you want. The white mushrooms came pre-sliced, but I'm going to give them a quick chop. Then I'll slice and give the baby bellas a quick chop. And I'll do the same to the portobellos. You can continue hand chopping your mushrooms into a fine mince, or you can be like me and use a food processor. And all of the mushrooms should look about like this when you're finished. Next, I'll do a small dice on the shallots. And while I have the knife and board here, I'll go ahead and finely chop the parsley. Get a frying pan large enough to hold everything, hot on medium heat, and add the butter. Add the garlic, then the shallot. Stir occasionally until the shallot softens. Add the mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste, and cook until the mushrooms have released their liquid. Turn the heat to medium-high and occasionally stir until the liquid evaporates and the mushrooms begin to stick to the pan. Remove from the heat and stir in the parsley. Cover and store in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Use Duxelles in Wellington recipes with eggs as a sandwich spread and more.